अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद है कि आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे। आज हमने आपके लिए मॉक टेस्ट 4 लाए हैं जूनियर असिस्टेंट हाई कोर्ट एग्ज़ाम के लिए। अपना स्कोर कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन कीजिए और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर और लाइक कीजिए। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ parts of a sentence are given below in jumbled order. Arrange the parts in the correct order to form a meaningful sentence. The ashrams used were the center of knowledge and learning as. Option A, knowledge and learning were used as the centers of the ashram. Option B, as the ashrams of knowledge and learning were used the centers. Option C, the ashrams were used as the centers of knowledge and learning. Option D, the centers of the ashrams were used as knowledge and learning. इन सेंटेंस को आपको मीनिंगफुल सेंस में बनाना है। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, द आश्रम्स वर यूज्ड एज द सेंटर्स ऑफ नॉलेज एंड लर्निंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस हैज़ बीन स्प्लिट इनटू 4 segments. Identify the segment that contains a grammatical error. The police could not hold on the people for long as they gathered in large number. इस सेंटेंस में आपको ग्रामेटिकल एरर ढूंढना है। ऑप्शन ए, द पुलिस कुड नॉट, ऑप्शन बी, फॉर लॉन्ग एज दे, ऑप्शन सी, गैदर्ड इन लार्ज नंबर, ऑप्शन डी, होल्ड ऑन द पीपल। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, होल्ड ऑन द पीपल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज select the option that express the given sentence in passive voice. The seller shall dispatch the parcel soon to Chennai. Option A, the parcel can be dispatched by the seller to Chennai soon. Option B, the parcel may be dispatched by the seller to Chennai soon. Option C, the parcel might be dispatched by the seller to Chennai soon. Option D, the parcel will be dispatched soon to Chennai by the seller. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, the parcel will be dispatched soon to Chennai by the seller. Next question is select the most appropriate option that can substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. If there is no need to substitute it, select no substitution required. Rashu did very well in the exam. He must study well. Option A, he should have studied well. Option B, he may study well. Option C, no substitution required. Option D, he must have studied well. Correct answer is option D, he must have studied well. Next question is select the most appropriate option to fill in the blanks. Fingernails and toenails helped our dash to climb trees, peel fruits and use simple tools, while their color and condition offer clues about your dash health. Nail polish turns them into fashion accessories. Option A, general altogether. Option B, predecessor universal. Option C, forefather all in all. Option D, ancestors overall. Correct answer is option D, ancestors overall. Next question is select the incorrectly spelled word. Option A, subpoena. Option B, millennium. Option C, caucus. Option D, noticeable. Correct answer is option B, millennium. Next question is select the most appropriate option that can substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. If there is no need to substitute it, select no substitution required. An ultralight airplane is very different from a conventional airplane. It is looking like a lawn chair with wings. Option A, look like. Option B, looks like. Option C, looked like. Option D, no substitution required. Correct answer is option B, looks like. Next question is some sentences are given below while the first and the last sentence are in the correct order. The sentences in between are jumbled up. Arrange the sentence in the correct order to form a meaningful and coherent paragraph. First, do you still recognize me? I asked. Option A, the woman looked at me searchingly. Option B, I am Mrs. S's daughter. Option C, I came closer and stood on the step. Option D, she opened the door a little. Second, she kept staring at me in silence. Option A, B, D, A, C. Option B, B, C, A, D. Option C, B, A, C, D. Option D, B, A, D, C. Correct answer is option D, BADC. Next question is, select the correct direct narration of the given sentence. Mother applauded her, saying that she had done well. Option A, Mother says, bravo, you have been done well. Option B, Madhav said, bravo, you been done well. Option C, Madhav said, bravo, you have done well. Option D, Madhav said, bravo, you have done well. Correct answer is option D. Madhav said, bravo, you have done well. Next question is, select the option that expresses the given sentence in indirect speech. The lawyer told the father of the accuser there is a rumor that he has some connection in that crime. Option A, the lawyer told the father of the accuser that there had been a rumor that he had some connection in that crime. Option B, the lawyer told the father of the accuser that there was a rumor that he was having some connection in that crime. Option C, the lawyer told the father of the accuser that there was a rumor that he had some connection in that crime. Option C, the lawyer told the father of the accuser that there was a rumor that he had some connection in that crime. Correct answer is option C. The lawyer told the father of the accuser that there was a rumor that he had some connection in that crime. Next question is, select the option that expresses the given sentence in direct speech. My son exclaimed with joy that it was an attractive sight. Option A, my son said it is an attractive sight. Option B, my son said what an attractive sight it was. Option C, my son said what an attractive sight it is. Option D, my son said it was an attractive sight. Correct answer is option C. My son said what an attractive sight it is. Next question is, select the most appropriate antonym of the underlined word. The younger girl is very audacious in every activity. Option A, ferocious. Option B, timid. Option C, bright. Option D, bold. Correct answer is option B, timid. Next question is, select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. The officer asked his subordinate to keep him posted of the workplace development. Option A, maintain secrecy. Option B, keep sharing the latest information. Option C, send letters by post. Option D, not disturb him in matters. Correct answer is option B, keep sharing the latest information. Next question is, we all laugh at the affair. Option A, over. Option B, with. Option C, for. Option D, on. Correct answer is option A, over. Next question is, parts of the following sentence have been given as options. Select the option that contains an error. The students were able to get better from college early, so they went to the movies. Option A, college early, so they. Option B, the students were well. Option C, went to the movies. Option D, to get better from. Correct answer is option D, to get better from. Next question is, select the option that expresses the given sentence in passive voice. Simran was plucking the flowers. Option A, the flowers are plucked by Simran. Option B, the flowers were being plucked by Simran. Option C, the flowers will be plucked by Simran. Option D, the flowers have been plucked by Simran. Correct answer is option B. The flowers were being plucked by Simran. Next question is, select the option that can be used as a one-word substitution for the given group of words. Giving cause for legal action. Option A, lawful. Option B, actionable. Option C, objectionable. Option D, legalizing. Correct answer is option B, actionable. Next question is, select the most appropriate option to fill in the blanks. Quarrels result in dash confrontation and brings all conversation to a complete standstill. Option A, hot. Option B, disputed. Option C, heated. Option D, cold. Correct answer is option C, heated. Next question is, choose the correct meaning of the underlying idiom in the given sentence. There is no point developing bad blood with your neighbors. Option A, business relation. Option B, enmity. Option C, friendship. Option D, family relations. Correct answer is option B, enmity. Next question is, Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word. Sanitize. Option A, purify. Option B, devote. Option C, sacrifice. Option D, pollute. Correct answer is option D, pollute. Next question is, some sentences are given below, while the first and the last sentence are in the correct order. The sentences in between are jumbled up. Arrange the sentence in the correct order to form a meaningful and coherent paragraph. First, Ranga is the accountant's son. A, he turned to the village after his studies were over. B, he is one rare breed of village folk who loved studies. C, on his return, the villagers smiled around his house to see whether he had changed or not. D, he had gone to Bangalore to pursue his studies. Second, his idea about marriage are now quite different. Option A, BCDA. Option B, BCAD. Option C, BDCA. Option D, BDAC. Correct answer is option D, BDAC. Next question is, select the most appropriate option to fill in the blanks. Reptiles dashed from amphibians for a long period of 160 million years in Earth's history. Reptiles were the dominant form of life on the planet and dashed in an enormous variety of shapes and sizes. Option A, came, exhausted. Option B, involved, lived. Option C, developed, continued. Option D, evolved, existed. Correct answer is option D, evolved, existed. Next question is, select the option that can be used as a one-word substitute for the given group of words. An official appointed to resolve a dispute. Option A, advocate. Option B, soothsayer. Option C, arbitrator. Option D, confidant. Correct answer is option C, arbitrator. Next question is, select the incorrectly spelled word. Option A, affection. Option B, appearance. Option C, accommodate. Option D, accompanied. Correct answer is option C, accommodate. Next question is, parts of a sentence are given below in the jumbled order. Arrange the parts in the correct order to form a meaningful sentence. An elaborate network is a plot of schemes and tricks of might do about nothing. Option A, an elaborate network of much ado about nothing is a plot of schemes and tricks. Option B, the plot is of schemes and tricks, an elaborate network of much ado about nothing. Option C, the plot of schemes and tricks is an elaborate network of much ado about nothing. Option D, the plot of much ado about nothing is an elaborate network of schemes and tricks. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Faithful. Option A, wavering. Option B, devoted. Option C, untrustworthy. Option D, fickle. Correct answer is option B, devoted. Next question is, select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Flout. Option A, rash. Option B, defy. Option C, rude. Option D, poke. Correct answer is option B, defy. Next question is, select the option that expresses the given sentence in passive voice. I gifted a soft toy to my daughter. Option A, a soft toy is gifted to my daughter by me. Option B, to my daughter was gifted a soft toy by me. Option C, a soft toy was being gifted to my daughter by me. Option D, a soft toy was gifted to my daughter by me. Correct answer is option D, a soft toy was gifted to my daughter by me. Next question is, it shows that she has dash many years of service. Option A, put in. Option B, put out. Option C, put. Option D, put on. Correct answer is option A, put in. Next question is, pour the juice, dash the glass. Option A, in. Option B, into. Option C, on to. Option D, on. Correct answer is option B, into. Next question is, the decimal number 23 is represented in binary numeral system as. वीडियो को पॉज करके इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी 10111. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, Which of the following electronic component is used as a very important component in one of the old generations of computers? Option A, transistors. Option B, metals. Option C, filaments. Option D, carbon. Correct answer is option A, transistors. Next question is, which of the following sections of the process contains function parameters, return address and local variables? Option A, stack. Option B, data. Option C, heap. Option D, text. Correct answer is option A, stack. Next question is, which of the following option represents standard keyboard layout? Correct answer is option B, QWERTY. Next question is, a modem must be connected between CPU and option A, printer. Option B, phone line. Option C, register. Option D, monitor. Correct answer is option B, phone line. Next question is, number of page orientations allowed in PowerPoint is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct answer is option B 2. Next question is, in resource allocation graph with all single resource instances, a cycle in the graph indicates option A, definitely no deadlock. Option B, definitely a deadlock. Option C, partial deadlock. Option D, partial starvation. Correct answer is option B, definitely a deadlock. Next question is, PowerPoint slide can be saved as first PDF, second PPS, third IPG, fourth Python. Option A, only first and second. Option B, only second and fourth. Option C, only first and third. Option D, only first, second and third. Correct answer is option D, only first, second and third. Next question is, which of the following device is an input device? Option A, monitor. Option B, printer. Option C, plotter. Option D, keyboard. Correct answer is option D, keyboard. Next question is, if process is executing in this critical section, no other process is executing in this critical section. This statement is related to option A, mutual exclusion. Option B, progress. Option C, bounded waiting. Option D, no preemption. Correct answer is option A, mutual exclusion. Next question is, unsolicited commercial email is known as option A, thread. Option B, spam. Option C, draft. Option D, intruder. Correct answer is option B, spam. Next question is, which of the following techniques can be used by web applications to access the stored information across all the pages within the application? Option A, add-ons. Option B, cookie. Option C, cross-page posting. Option D, pop-up. Correct answer is option B, cookie. Next question is, which of the following option is not a hardware? Option A, interpreter. Option B, RAM. Option C, keyboard. Option D, SMPS. Correct answer is option A, interpreter. Next question is, DNS is a host name to IP address translation service. DNS stands for option A, data network server. Option B, domain network service. Option C, domain name server. Option D, data name server. Correct answer is option C, domain name server. Next question is, to increase the font size of the selected text in MS Word, which of the following combination of key is used? Option A, Control and Alt. Option B, Control and bracket close. Option C, Shift and S. Option D, Alt and Shift. Correct answer is option B, Control and bracket close. Next question is, the term district judge is mentioned in which of the following article of Constitution? Option A, Article 230. Option B, Article 231. Option C, Article 232. Option D, Article 233. Correct answer is option D, Article 233. Next question is, where can the public interest litigation be filed? Option A, only in Supreme Court of India. Option B, only in High Courts of States. Option C, in Central Administrative Tribunals. Option D, both in High Courts and Supreme Court. Correct answer is option D, both in High Courts and Supreme Court. Next question is, what is coroner? Option A, a person who investigates the cause of death when a person has suffered a sudden violent or a suspicious death. Option B, something that is forged or copied with the intention of deceiving. Option C, a court which hears appeals against the decisions of other courts. Option D, convenient a contract or legally binding promise. Correct answer is option A, a person who investigates the cause of death when a person has suffered a sudden violent or a suspicious death. Next question is, testimony means. Option A, the evidence a witness gives in court. Option B, to start leading proceeding in the civil court against someone. Option C, something that belongs in a particular category or is the only one of its class. Option D, someone who can enter into a contract without any restriction. Correct answer is option A, the evidence a witness gives in court. Next question is, a court officer responsible for serving legal notices, summons and warrants to the parties involved in a case. They ensure that court directives are delivered effectively and on time. Option A, bailiff. Option B, copyist. Option C, tamili. Option D, nazir. Correct answer is option C, tamili. Next question is, in essence, what does due process of law mean? Option A, the principle of natural justice. Option B, the procedure established by law. Option C, fair application of law. Option D, equality before law. Option C is the correct answer. Next question is, what is a civil action brought by a party against another in a court of law called? Option A, litigation. Option B, complaint. Option C, suit. Option D, brief. Correct answer is option C, suit. Next question is, the district judge is appointed by whom in the state? Option A, the president. Option B, the governor. Option C, the chief justice of Highcourt. Option D, the chief justice of India. Correct answer is option B, the governor. Next question is, a person can be appointed as a district judge of Jammu and Kashmir if she has been an advocate or pleader for at least. Option A, 5 years. Option B, 6 years. Option C, 7 years. Option D, 10 years. Correct answer is option C, 7 years. Next question is, where was the first Lok Adalats organized? Option A, Gujarat. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Chhattisgarh. Option D, West Bengal. Correct answer is option D, West Bengal. Next question is, which Indian organization achieved a milestone by completing a sea-level test of the C-20 cryogenic engine? Option A, DRDO. Option D, BHEL. Option C, ISRO. Option D, HAL. Correct answer is option C, ISRO. Next question is, which country is constructing the world's largest artificial island airport with a capacity to handle 43 million passengers annually? Option A, Japan. Option B, UAE. Option C, China. Option D, South Korea. Correct answer is option C, China. Next question is, in which state will the Uniform Civil Code be implemented from January 2025 as announced by CM? Option A, Gujarat. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Uttarakhand. Option D, Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Next question is, who has been named the brand ambassador for the Kho World Cup? Option A, Shah Rukh Khan. Option B, Salman Khan. Option C, Akshay Kumar. Option D, Virat Kohli. Correct answer is option B, Salman Khan. Next question is, who is appointed as MD and CEO of Jammu and Kashmir Bank? Option A, Mr. R.K. Chibar. Option B, Mr. Baldev Prakash. Option C, Dr. Rajiv Lochan Bishnoi. Option D, Amitav Chatterjee. Correct answer is option D, Amitav Chatterjee. Next question is, recently in News One Nation World Election, the High-Level Committee on Simultaneous Election constituted under the chairmanship of option A, Shri Ramnath Kovind, former President. Option B, Shri Narendra Modi, PM of India. Option C, Shri Amit Shah, Home Minister. Option D, Shrimati Ranjana Prakash Desai. Correct answer is option A, Shri Ramnath Kovind. Next question is, Total Ramsar sites of India under Ramsar Convention as of December 2024. Option A 75, option B 82, option C 85, option D 90. Correct answer is option C 85. Next question is, which one among the following is not located in Jammu and Kashmir UT? Option A Hokarsar, option B Sokar, option C Highgaon, option D Surinsar Mansar. Correct answer is option B Sokar. Next question is, which of the following is the autobiography of Dr. Manmohan Singh, the ex-PM of India? Option A, A Short at History. Option B, Ace Against Odds. Option C, My Country, My Life. Option D, Changing India. Correct answer is option D, Changing India. Next question is, Dharma Guardian is a joint military exercise between India with which of the following country? Option A, Australia. Option B, Indonesia. Option C, Bangladesh. Option D, Japan. Correct answer is option D, Japan. Next question is, India's national motto, Satyamev Jayate, has been taken from which of the following sources? Option A, Katha Upanishad. Option B, Mundaka Upanishad. Option C, Chandogya Upanishad. Option D, Maha Upanishad. Correct answer is option B, Mundaka Upanishad. Next question is, where will the Women's Kabaddi World Cup be held in the year 2025? Option A, Punjab. Option B, UP. Option C, Bihar. Option D, Haryana. Correct answer is option C, Bihar. Next question is, Kashmir's paper mache artisans have revived a bird extinct since 1681, crafting it as a symbol of lost biodiversity. Which bird is being discussed? Option A, dodo. Option B, lesser adjutant stork. Option C, passenger pigeon. Option D, Indian skimmer. Correct answer is option A, dodo. Next question is, how many new districts have been created in Ladakh? Option A, 6. Option B, 5. Option C, 7. Option D, 8. Correct answer is option B, 5. Next question is, 23 August is celebrated as option A, National Technology Day. Option B, Friendship Day. Option C, National Space Day. Option D, Doctors Day. Correct answer is option C, National Space Day. Next question is, which river is associated with the Kudia Ghat where Atal Bihari Vajpayee's statue was unveiled? Option A, Sabarmati. Option B, Gomti. Option C, Ganga. Option D, Tapi. Correct answer is option B, Gomti. Next question is, China is planning to build the world's largest dam in Tibet on which river? Option A, Satluj. Option B, Galwan. Option C, Brahmaputra. Option D, Indus. Correct answer is option C, Brahmaputra. Next question is, recently which bird has been recognized as the national bird of the United States? Option A, hummingbirds. Option B, rock dove. Option C, mimid. Option D, bald eagle. Correct answer is option D, bald eagle. Next question is, Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2024 has been awarded to how many children? Option A, 17 children. Option B, 19 children. Option C, 22 children. Option D, 25 children. Correct answer is option A, 17 children. Next question is, who wrote the book titled The Unyielding Judge? Option A, Manik Grover. Option B, Anand Grover. Option C, Tarun Grover. Option D, Gauri Grover. Correct answer is option D, Gauri Grover. Next question is, who was appointed as the Director General of the National Security Guard in 2024? Option A, Rakesh Asthana. Option B, Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. Option C, B. Krishnavasan. Option D, Arvind Kumar. Correct answer is option C, B. Srinivasan. Next question is, who has been appointed as the new Revenue Secretary in the Ministry of Finance? Option A, Ajay Seth. Option B, Arunish Chawla. Option C, Sanjay Malhotra. Option D, Vinit Joshi. Correct answer is option B, Arunish Chawla. Next question is, Damchok is a place where river enters in Ladakh UT. Option A, Indus. Option B, Shok. Option C, Nubra. Option D, Shigar. Correct answer is option A, Indus. Next question is, which institution was awarded the 2024 Nelson Mandela Award by the World Health Organization for Health Promotion? Option A, National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience. Option B, Mayo Clinic, Rochester, USA. Option C, Johns Hopkins Hospital, Baltimore, USA. Option D, King's College Hospital, London, UK. Correct answer is option A, National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences. Next question is, in the World Bank's Legal Gender Gap Index, where does India rank among 190 countries? Option A 76, option B 130, option C 145, option D 189. Correct answer is option B 113. वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और अपना स्कोर कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन कीजिएगा। शुक्रिया।